Well, here's the part 2 video that I promised I'd do for everybody. I'm probably going to have to do a part 3 and a part 4. I mean, there's so much stuff up here, but it's really interesting. But Frank, old Twisted MacGyver trains, I told him I'd show him some neat stuff. So, first of all, this box here, see what we got in there? Oh, we got a diamond, got a crossing. Snaps right in there like that. So, what that is for, let me set this off to the side. That is for my dad's, his, what's that say? Marx. Diesel electric type train. He still has this set from when he was a kid. There's another one here too. So, I can't believe he still has the packaging. It's pretty amazing. Look at this old transformer there. Still got the cord. And then, I don't know what this stuff is worth. My dad's not selling any of it, but it still has the functioning hook, New York Central system. What do we got here? The AT and SF. I don't know what this car, if it had a, see that little brass pin looking thing? I don't know if that's, what kind of car that is. Those are interesting looking couplers too. I don't know anything about the couplers. So, and oh, this is nice. We got a flat car. Let's see if these bastards will go on there. Yeah. Oh, an Erie flat car. You know what? Now that I look at it, that thing right there, that's where the truck sets go. Yeah, he's had this stuff since, I guess this is from the 50s. Oh wow, this old tanker. Pretty cool. It's just UTLX, that's the reporting mark. Yeah, this stuff probably hasn't been opened in many years. Pennsylvania Railroad gondola. Yeah, this stuff's in pretty good shape for, and I guess I could, maybe another time I'll dig out that original instruction manual down there. And here's the power. Oh, this thing's heavy. AT&SF, Santa Fe, switcher. Yeah. I'm going to have to put the track together. Oh, look at that old gears on the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty old. Huh, interesting. And these, and the trucks, they just move. The front of the trucks move. But the center, the actual motor, stays stationary. Wow. Well, let me put this back. Sit on the floor here temporarily. Then here's another one. This was his first set, I believe. Fifth Avenue was made. So this here, there's the original. Man, that's pretty wild. Underwriters Laboratories, Louis Marx, Transformer. I think he said this one here originally was a wind-up train. It's not even, oh, it's a Union Pacific. Wow. Look at that. It's missing an axle, but I think he said his uncle put this electric motor on it. So we got these these are just the cars. Union Pacific, Denver. This was like a cheaper set, he said. You know, heck, more than enough for a little kid. Squab on it. Never heard of that. These are just, you know, for a little kid in the 50s. Hell, they love it. There's another Denver one. Huh. And then, I don't know, this must have been for another car. General Coal Company. Northern Pacific, Yellowstone Park Line. That's pretty cool. I don't know where the rest of the car body is. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. This packaging is still here. And then this here, this is an even older one. Oops. Knock the box over. This is another. I guess that's a Marx. It's a steam engine. This one's really old, heavy. And here's got a New York Central tender. Caboose, New York Central. It's a lot cheaper. These are just like cheap tin, but this stuff's got to be really, really from the 50s. Rock Island, gondola. Man, that's awesome. Very interesting. I'm gonna have to do a few more videos. I just wanted to show. I'll put this away in a second, but here's some HO stuff that I'll show later. Here's a quick look at a Conrail, and that's for Deep Run Mike, Atlas, Arlington Northern, and then there's just so much other stuff. And then I wanted to show this real quick. These here, see what we got here? Athearn John Deere HO Collector's Edition sets. These things, this is the locomotive. We have other unopened ones, but this thing, you know, I'm not even gonna be able to open it one hand. I don't want people complaining I'm shaking the box. But we could take a look at this. This here is the John Deere HO rolling stock set. So you get your flat cars, a couple box cars. Sorry for the glare, but it's still in the packaging. Makes it worth a lot more money like that. See, my neighbor had a John Deere dealership, so we were fortunate enough to get first dibs on this stuff. So here's another John Deere HO scale train set, unopened. Athearn. It's got to be worth some money, but this stuff ain't for sale. There's the locomotive. I don't know if that's a GE. I can't really tell. There's one more. Pretty cool F unit. Box cars. There's just so much stuff I could show up here. Like, check this out. This Hot Wheels Crisscross Crash. There's another RC car glow in the dark set. That would be for another video. But I hope everybody enjoyed this. So have a good rest of your day.